Traders, welcome back to another mighty and relentless collaboration video. Today we have a very special announcement. We have been working endlessly day and night for almost a year now, and we are finally proud to announce the Merciless Market University. We've come together to bring you guys this product because time and time again, we're talking to you guys behind the scenes, and there's a lot of people who they just want something more. They enjoy the free content. They enjoy what we're putting out there every day, but they want to take their trading to the next level. And so we've decided to build a course. Marcelo, talk to the people and let them know what they can expect from this beautiful service.
So welcome everybody, welcome to your new university, Merciless Markets University. This is the name we came up with when we started to brainstorm, because first of all, we're not selling you guys a dream. We're not going to be selling you guys golden indicators, gold and buy here 100% of the time, sell here 100% of the time strategies, but we instead have come together to teach you guys all the trickery that happens in the market. At the end of the day, you got to remember that trading and the stock market in general is a competition. And it's only natural that everybody out there is trying to make absolutely everything in their power to take your money out of your pocket. Here, we not only going to teach you about the merciless markets, but we also going to teach you guys how to profit and how to position yourself in any given trading day.
Right. And so I like the word that you use there, position, because a lot of what we're doing here each and every day is managing risk. And we're going to show you guys all of our techniques, our strategies, our edges, which can essentially give you a leg up on the competition. Now, we're not going to say that trading, our edge is going to give you, immunity, but it'll definitely help you when it comes to reducing your learning curve and understanding the ins and outs of trading and how to approach these merciless markets. Because ultimately, there's a lot of risk involved in trading. There's a lot of people who've lost accounts, blown up accounts time and time again. And our aim here is to teach you guys how to approach the market in a very safe and methodical way so that you don't have to suffer, right? And go through that excruciating pain of losing over and over, time and time again.
Right. And as you can see from our slogan right here, learn to trade and think like a profitable trader. Unlike any other course you probably have seen out there, here we are encouraging you guys to learn to think for yourselves, to learn to think, to learn to put yourself in the position of a profitable trader and understand what the trader on the other side is thinking. We're not teaching you guys, perfect strategies that work 100% of the time. We're not going to give you guys how to get rich quick. If you're looking for all that nonsense, you're in the wrong place, unfortunately. Here, we're going to teach you guys really all the work it takes. We're gonna walk you through the process of understanding that this is not a side hustle, understanding that this is a full-time career, and it's going to take years, weeks, months, and years of absolute hard work and dedication for you to have a solid shot of making trading your full-time career. So with that said, why not let's take a look at this website. By the way, this website is going to be linked below, so you can take a look for yourself. Let's go over some of the things you should expect from this product. MMU Merciless Markets. So we're not going to go through every single bullet point here, as you can very easily click the link below and read everything for yourself. But we're going to do a quick overview on what the product is about. We're going to talk a little bit about the curriculum, what we offer, and some of the other perks that comes included with your MMU membership. So let's see. Here's a little bit of a description, biography of me and RT, how we met, for how long have we been have we been friends, and trading alongside each other. So a little bit of a description of your teachers. You have both our socials, Relentless Trader, Mighty Stocks. We both have experience in making daily recaps, educational videos. So definitely we thought that coming together would only make sense because we already have practice in this role that it comes to teaching and managing people.
And I'll tell you guys, man, Marcelo is quite the guy. We met in person, of course, before, and I wouldn't have wanted to come together with anybody else. Marcelo is an excellent trader, one of the highest degree, and we're great friends. we've come together, we've met over trading, and it's something that grew our friendship, and now we're coming together to provide this product.
Right. It was only natural because even though we're very different and we live very far from each other, at the end of the day, we're almost living like this same type of lifestyle and we have the same views of the market and in life in general. We're very self-driven. We both come from humble immigrant beginnings, and then we just fell in love with this trading art. That's been that thankfully enough has been our career for the last couple of years. And after we built this our channels and all that, and after seeing all the demand of beginner traders and people that have been getting advantage of, we decided to come together and put this thing together.
Yeah, a lot of people out there are being taken advantage of. A lot of people who are claiming to be experts but not showing everything, not being transparent. And that's one of the biggest things here when it comes to MMU with Marcelo and I, is that we are the most transparent traders out there. We show everything and we teach everything, not holding back. And so again, the aim will be to show you guys how to approach these merciless markets in a way where the risk is very low, the learning curve is shortened, and your
Right.
tuition to the market is decreased significantly.
Right. Now, RT, let's go over some one of the things that are included here in when you get the MMU
Yeah.
membership. So what do we get, RT, when we say that we're going to be providing weekly trading lectures?
So, every week we think that it'll be best to go over topics, right? Topics that, whether from Q&As or just general trading topics, that will of course benefit our community. And so, when it comes to things that are difficult to approach, such as cutting losses, revenge trading, all of these things, endless amount of topics we'll be going through, each and every day. And of course, you know, weekly videos will be coming out. And I think for this particular section, it'll really help a lot of traders who are struggling with certain areas of their trading, because not everyone knows how to approach these things, how to size up. And so that's what we'll be here for, as mentors, to guide and give advice to the students.
Right. So weekly trading lectures, of course, in the membership, our course is going to be included, our comprehensive beginner to pro course, in which we're going to go from the absolute basics of the stock market, what it is, what the hell is a share, how to buy a stock, how to open a broker, all the way to the very nitty gritty of, how does our team make $100 in 5 seconds? What is a dip and rip out of a halt? What is an opening search type trade? Of course, we're going to see all that in here in the course. So the course has been structured that you can buy this course without any experience in the market. And but if you also are already a seasoned trader that has been trading for a while now, this is a course that is also going to help you get a little better. So that's
Yeah, we've definitely positioned ourselves. We put ourselves in the shoes of a beginner, and we asked ourselves, when we were beginners, what would we had wanted to learn and know as we progress through our trading. And so, as Marcelo was saying, even if you're a seasoned trader, the progression is there, and so it'll be natural, and it catches up. And so, as we continue throughout the curriculum, you guys will see how we, become more advanced in the lectures.
and guys, this is like a real deal course. I know that it might seem that we put it together yesterday, but guys, we've been working in this thing behind the scenes for almost over a year now. And every time you hear us tired during the recaps and telling you guys that we got to go to other business ventures or that we're working in different projects, we've been working at this thing for almost over a year. It's like nonstop. So this course is not, that, 3 videos worth of content. This is like hours of endless chapters and in a very structured way so that
Right.
you guys can get the best out of it.
And we'll be continuously updating this course over time, because the markets are always changing. And so as we evolve as traders, we're only going to be adding to the curriculum.
Yep. All right, let's continue on here with membership. What else is included? We're going to give you guys weekly live Q&As. Of course, if there's something in the course that you quite don't grasp, if you have any questions to me or our team, we're going to be live every single week to answer any type of question you guys may have. Fourth, we are going to upload all of our raw live trading archives. This is a very popular thing that
Yes,
a lot of
yes.
people like to see. Why, RT? Why do people like to see the live trading archives? And why does a lot of traders don't show this?
A lot of traders, a lot of people out there are you know, claiming they want to protect something. They're holding back, but how can you be a teacher and hiding? It's impossible. And so here at MMU, again, we are the most transparent traders out there in the world. And so we're bringing everything level two and more, right? Everything in between the spreads we'll be showing, and it'll be the raw live footage each
Yep.
and every day.
Yep. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. Let's see what else. We're gonna be providing daily watch lists and trade plan for anybody that, maybe is a beginner and doesn't know exactly how to utilize scanners, how to build up a watch list, how to, dial in daily charts, all that. We're gonna be trading with you, well, not with you, but we're gonna be helping you every morning to develop a game plan and give you a list of stocks that have potential of making big moves. All right. We
Right.
also are going to be providing live ultra low latency trading. That's going to be powered by RT. He's going to be trading live every morning. As he's going to be doing his usual thing of trading live in the morning, but he's going to trade for longer for MMU members.
Right. And so again, transparency. In our opinion, it's impossible to show who you really are as a trader if you're not streaming it. How can you really tell if someone is real? We talk about fake gurus all the time, fake traders who are pretending. You know, how can you really trust somebody if you're not watching them do it in front of you? And that's what we're bringing here for you guys. We're going to trade live each and every day, and you guys will be able to see the ins and outs of how we're approaching the markets and how we're executing our trades, how we're managing risk, how we're staying disciplined as we
Yep.
go.
And finally, you're going to get some exclusive content, whether it is from MMU or from Mighty Stocks or from Relentless Trading. And you're, of course, going to get access to the chat room services. In the chat room is where we're going to be hosting all the live Q&As, all the live weekly lectures, and all, and that's where you can hopefully interact with other MMU members and build a community. All right.
Yes, and we're looking forward. We're looking forward to having a great community here, and we're looking to grow.
Yep. Let's take a quick look now at the curriculum. So as you can see, very extensive curriculum. We have almost 30 chapters worth of content. We're not going to go through every single class, of course, here in this video. As you can, again, click the link down below and take a look for yourself. But some of the chapters we think might be important to cover right now are Stock Market 101, profiting in the stock market, trading tools and software, how to read candlesticks, support and resistance. You can see at the beginning, very basic stuff. But if we scroll down, you can see how we get into the more advanced stuff. Okay, recognizing
Right.
setups, pre-market analysis, daily chart analysis, the 200 SMA, intraday chart analysis. Level 2 is going to be a big one. Hopefully you guys can learn a lot from that chapter. Risk management, hotkeys and hot buttons, the trading routine, day trading styles, MMU edges. Here is where we share our strategies. We share our favorite patterns, our favorite buying and selling techniques, and how we manage to make a living every single day here in the markets. Okay, it's a very extensive chapter, almost 30 classes here of different edges. And what is an edge, you may ask? Well, an edge is a deficiency in the market that we as retail traders can capitalize on. All right, we also have a trading psychology chapter. We believe that trading psychology is very important, if not more important than understanding patterns and technicals. So we have a whole dedicated chapter for that so that we can show you guys how to develop a probabilistic state of mind, how to think like a profitable trader, how to be in the zone. And then
And
we have some other chapters like what are the merciless markets, building your trading business, and all that fun stuff.
guys, for those of you listening on, watching on, no matter who you are, where you're from, you know, if you are someone who is looking to get serious in these markets, whether you're a complete beginner or if you're someone who's been around but has been having a hard time, if you want to understand more of the why, why does Marcelo buy where he buys? Why does RT buys where he buys? Why are they getting in here and getting out there? If you want to understand how to trade momentum, right? Low float, stocks in this market and you want to gain that edge, as Marcelo just mentioned, this is definitely the place for you. All right. So as we continue, as Marcelo was mentioning, the curriculum was, it's really incredible. It's really incredible, and it will take you guys some time. For those of you who do purchase the course right now, the recommendation will be at least one video a day, because it's quite long. You want to make sure you have that consistency as you're going through the chapters. All right.
Yep. And then now let's talk about the price. So the price we came into conclusion with was $9.97, which is honestly an absolute steal for everything you're getting for this extensive course, which is essentially at the same level of any other course out there, if not better. And then on top of that, you're getting the live Q&As, the live mentorship sessions, daily watch lists, daily live trading, all the courses, all the freaking raw live trading archives. We thought that, we wanted, because we want to be part, we want to help everybody out there. We thought that $9.97 is a price that almost everybody could afford, and it's under the $1,000 mark. Like, when have you seen a trading course with all this value under $1,000? That includes two traders.
Two six-figure traders for the price of one, ladies and gentlemen.
So this price here is as good as it gets. So honestly, you guys, I would recommend that you don't sleep on this.
And of course, for launch, Marcelo, let them know about what we're doing for our launch sale.
All right, so because we are people's person, and because, everything that we do here in this channel is for you, and thanks to you guys, we figure that as we launch, for anybody that's an OG, we're gonna have a special discount, which is gonna be, let's come up with a name now. What should we call it, RT?
Let's call it, let's see, how about code success?
I like that. How are we feeling? How are we feeling for the coupon ties?
I think, being that this is for the people, I feel like $150 off sounds pretty good.
Sounds pretty good to me.
I think the audience would like that.
So then $9.97, that would be $800. I like that.
Code success, because ultimately the goal for each and every one of us will be some shape or form of success, right? Some of you will eventually, look forward to trading and look forward to it as being a major source of your income stream. Some of you will look at it as, hey, maybe it can be something I can do to add in a smaller way to my income. And some people will look to be full-time traders.
Right.
So depending on who you are, I think code success sounds pretty good.
And of course, because we can't be, giving coupons every day everywhere, we're gonna put a limit on how many coupons they're gonna be, available with that access name, success. So let's do 10 coupons, and for the first 10 people that buy this course, we're gonna consider you, that hopefully you are an OG. You hopefully have been following our journey for a long time, and we really hope you can take advantage of that coupon. For everybody else that doesn't want to use that coupon, that's okay. The course is gonna be here for a while, so you can definitely take your time to think if this is something that you want to invest in. But for the OGs that want to take advantage of that coupon, make sure to take it before the 10 seats are gone. And
yes, guys.
And yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, this is MMU, Merciless Markets University. Hopefully a product that, is gonna be part of your guys' life for a long time, and something that we are very proud to announce.
And we're looking forward to creating and making, a lot of profitable students. We believe that with this program, the numbers will speak for themselves. And ultimately, we want you guys to be able to approach the markets in a very safe, again, and methodical way, right? That way, you don't risk too much. You understand the importance of taking it slow, trading with risk money, trading in a simulator, doing the things that a lot of the people out there don't tell you. Everybody's flexing the Rolex and the Lambos and the boats and these crazy things, but they're not really talking about, managing risk and how to actually approach the market from that fundamental technical point of view. So understand that, we're not guaranteeing anyone's success, but we believe that with this product, it'll definitely increase your odds and, ultimately will save you money, right? Because, even myself, when I first started, I came into the markets guns a blazing and I lost 4 grand. And I know a lot of people, relatives, and many, many stories out there, talking to people behind the scenes who've lost tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands. And so we want to make sure that those of you who do decide to embark on this journey will be able to, you know, come in contact with the market and understand why and how and what to do, what not to do, and to protect yourself. Because again, the markets are merciless. So head on down below. Make sure you grab the link again. Only 10 members. So be quick, and we'll see you guys in the curriculum. All right.
Take it easy. Adios.